Good morning, students. Now, next exercise 13.1, question number 8. Question is, find the unit vector in the direction of the vector PQ vector where P and Q are the points 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 respectively. हमें ना PQ की डायरेक्शन में यूनिट वेक्टर निकालना है. Point P is 1, 2, 3. Point Q is 4, 5, 6. So therefore PQ vector equal to, PQ vector is position vector of Q minus position vector of P. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 I cap x. Y का कोऑर्डिनेट हो जाएगा 5 minus 2 j cap प्लस z कोऑर्डिनेट 6 minus 3 k cap और सिंप्लीफिकेशन करने पर 3 I cap प्लस 3 j cap प्लस 3 k cap equal to PQ vector. Therefore, magnitude of PQ vector equal to, magnitude formula is x square plus y square plus z square. From this, x is the coefficient of I cap 3 का square, y is the coefficient of j cap 3 का square, z is the coefficient of k 3 का square. Square root 3 का square 9 plus 9 plus 9. We get 9 into 3. 9 3 27, which is 3 root 3. Therefore, unit vector along PQ vector is, unit vector is denoted by cap. PQ cap is equals to, formula is PQ vector upon magnitude of PQ vector, and from this substitute the values. PQ vector is 3 I cap PQ cap equal to, PQ vector is 3 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 3 k cap divided by magnitude is 3 root 3. Taking 3 common, I cap plus j cap plus k cap divided by 3 root 3. 3 से 3 cancel, we get I cap plus j cap plus k cap divided by under root 3 is equal to PQ cap. This is the final answer. For the given problem. Clear? We have to find the we have to find the unit vector along the direction of PQ. First, we have calculated PQ vector. PQ vector is given by the vector joining 2 points, which is final minus initial. Final minus initial. Similarly, for y coordinate, final minus initial, and for z coordinate, final minus initial. We get PQ vector. After that, we have calculated PQ vector magnitude. Magnitude formula is under root x square plus y square plus z square. Putting the values, we get PQ vector magnitude. After that, apply the formula for the unit vector. Unit vector formula is vector upon its magnitude. Clear? Now next question. Now question number 9th is, for the given vectors a vector and b vector, we have to find the unit vector in the direction of a plus b vector. A vector given 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. B vector given minus I cap plus j cap minus k cap. First we have to find the sum of two vectors. So let C vector be the sum of A vector and B vector. That is, C vector is given by A vector plus B vector. C vector equal to, A vector is 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap plus B vector is minus I cap plus j cap minus k cap. C vector equal to 2i cap minus 1i cap. Answer is I cap. Minus j cap plus j cap cancel out. 2k cap minus का 1k cap plus का k cap. Therefore magnitude of C vector x square plus y square plus z square under root x is the coefficient of I का coefficient 1 का square, y is the coefficient of j, there is no term for the j, 0 square plus k coefficient is 1 का square. Simplification 1 plus 1 we get root 2. So therefore required unit vector that is C cap is equal to C vector upon C vector का magnitude. From this C cap equal to, C vector is I cap plus k cap divided by magnitude. Magnitude is square root of 2. This is the final answer. Clear? We are given two vectors a and b. First we have calculated their sum. We have let it be c. C is equals to I plus k आ गया on simplification. After that we have calculated the magnitude of the C vector. C vector magnitude which is comes to be root 2. After that we have to find the unit vector. So required unit vector is C cap equal to C vector upon magnitude of C vector. And after putting the values we get the final answer. Clear? Now next question is question number 10th. Question number 10th is, find a vector in the direction of 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap which has magnitude 8 units. Given vector a vector इक्वल टू, इसको हमने नेम कर दिया ए वेक्टर 5i कैप माइनस जे कैप प्लस का 2k कैप. हमें इसकी डायरेक्शन में एक नया वेक्टर निकालना है जिसका मैग्नीट्यूड 8 यूनिट्स है. तो दोनों वेक्टर की डायरेक्शन सेम है, तो इस वेक्टर की जो डायरेक्शन जो दी जाती है इसके यूनिट वेक्टर से, दोनों वेक्टर का यूनिट वेक्टर क्या होगा, सेम. First we will calculate unit vector of the A vector. So magnitude of A vector, magnitude of A vector magnitude equal to under root 5 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square. On simplification we get 25 plus 1 plus 4. Further simplification we get 30. Therefore unit vector along A vector is A vector का unit vector is A cap. Formula is A vector upon A vector का magnitude. A vector is 5 I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap divided by magnitude is root 30. Therefore required vector is equal to magnitude into जिसकी डायरेक्शन में मीन्स A cap. Magnitude given is 8 units. 8 into 5 I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap divided by root 30, and from this we get 40 I cap minus 8 j cap plus 16 k cap divided by root 30. This is our final answer. Clear? We have to find vector in the direction of this one. हमने इसको नेम कर दिया A वेक्टर. पहले हमने इसका मैग्नीट्यूड निकाला. After that we have calculated unit vector along its direction. Unit vector A cap is equals to A vector upon A vector magnitude. On simplification we get this, and we have to find new vector having magnitude 8 units. Required vector is magnitude into unit vector. On simplification we get the final answer. Clear? Now in next class we will do remaining questions. Thank you.